Hi guys, welcome to Topma Tours. We are at Materuni Village in Moshi, Kilimanjaro in Tanzania.
Here we go.
We are now headed to the coffee making farm. The local guide then briefly explained the coffee making process.
But for our coffee here, it takes up to 7 years to become fully matured. But after 2 to 4 years of planting, they start to give out flowers. But if you look behind here, you can see that it's the coffee tree. But if you look on this side, you can see the flowers. So for the flowers, they stay for a few weeks. After they shade off. After shading, they give out coffee cherries that they turn from green, yellow to red one. And the red one is the ready for harvest. But for the coffee bean, it has 3 shells. It has the first red outer shell, it has the second one called the...
We had a taste of the Materuni coffee, then headed to the famous Materuni Waterfall. After the long adventure, we headed back to Kilimanjaro Airport where we took our flight back home. Thanks for watching. Until next time.